Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. This is an update on Chomper. It's February 9th. He's been a little worried about him surviving these cold winters, but you know, I've got him in a dog igloo with a heat lamp, and now that we got this nice spring weather, the big boy's out and about and eating green grass. He's he's the world's slowest lawnmower, the world's slowest weed eater. But looks like he's doing okay. So good news for us. We haven't had many 20-degree nights, but you know, it's not like where they're from in Africa. So anyway, he can hear me talking. You know, those things, they're a lot smarter than they look, believe it or not. Anyway, I'll just sign off.